Hey guys, it's Mr. Rock Table, and today I'm going to be doing a house tour. Yay! So this is my kitchen. Pretty nice. That's my microwave. You can see my face. Hi. That's my oven. Here's what's in my pantry. It's pretty sad. Here's what's in my fridge. It's not really that fun. Let's check out my room. Fan right there, my skateboard propped up against it. So this is my room, where I do a lot of, I don't know, stuff. My bathroom. This is my sister's room. She's 15, still owns stuffed animals. It's sad. That's a mirror on a door. I don't know what's in there. I'm gonna check for the first time on camera. Oh. So fuel tank. My hanger fell off. Let's go check out the rest of this place. It's my living room. Brother's watching Forged in Fire. And we're not gonna check upstairs because nothing concerns me up there. So yeah, that was my house tour. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Actually, I'm gonna make a live stream right after this. So I'll see you in the live stream. Bye.